Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, the haven for all things beauty and DIY. Today we've got something absolutely unbelievable for you. We're going to turn everyday kitchen ingredient into luxury beauty products. Yes, you heard it right. Your kitchen is not just a place for cooking, it's a gold mine for top-notch skincare ingredients. So let's get started and unlock some luxury beauty secrets that are hidden in plain sight in your kitchen. First up, let's talk about coffee. Not just your morning wake up call, but also a fantastic exfoliator. The grounds can be used to make a luxurious antioxidant rich body scrub that leaves your skin feeling smooth and rejuvenated. Just mix coffee grounds with a bit of olive oil, and yes, a simple yet luxury scrub is ready. Next, we have honey, nature's nectar and a skincare superstar. It's hydrating, antibacterial, and full of antioxidants. Imagine creating a high-end face mask with just honey and a dash of turmeric for extra glow. The simple concoction can give those expensive face masks a run for their money. Now, let's not overlook the humble oatmeal. It's not just a healthy breakfast option, but also a soothing ingredient for your skin. Ground oatmeal mixed with yogurt makes an amazing calming face mask, perfect for sensitive or irritated skin. Moving on, let's talk about green tea. Loaded with antioxidant, is a fantastic ingredient for a homemade toner. Just tip the tea, let it cool, and use it as a refreshing toner or face mist. It's simple, luxurious, and oh so effective. And of course, we cannot forget about the versatile coconut oil. It's a fantastic moisturizer for your skin and hair. Use it as a hair mask or body moisturizer. You will see why it's a staple in so many luxury beauty products. But wait, there's more. Ever thought of using avocado outside of your regular meal? Rich in healthy fats, they can be mashed into a hydrating face mask, perfect for dry skin type. Now, why these DIY luxury beauty products are fun and effective, remember to patch test first, especially if you have sensitive skin. And if you are ready to take your DIY skill to the next level and create professional grade beauty products, check out stablecosmeticformulas.com. They offer amazing resources and courses that will guide you on your journey to becoming a DIY beauty guru. Let's dive into another hidden gem, the mighty almond. Almonds are not just great snacks. Their oil is a skincare wonder. Rich in vitamin E and fatty acid, almond oil can be your go-to natural makeup remover. Gentle, effective, and it leaves your skin nourished. What more could you ask for? But wait, there's a twist. Did you ever think that the humble banana could be part of your beauty regimen? That's right. Mash up a ripe banana, add a bit of honey, and you have a hydrating face mask that rivals those high-end moisturizing masks. Bananas are packed with vitamins and moisture that can rejuvenate and soften your skin. And let's not forget about the refreshing cucumber. It's not just for salad or soothing tired eyes. Blend it into a puree mix with aloe vera and you've got yourself a hydrating and soothing toner. It's perfect for a hot summer day or after a sunburn. The simple mix can be as refreshing as any luxury toner out there. Now, for something a little unconventional, rice, yes. Rice in many parts of the world, rice water is used as a hair rinse. It's believed to strengthen hair, add shine, and promote growth. Just rinse your hair with some fermented rice water after your regular shampoo routine and watch your hair transform. As we wrap up this exciting exploration, remember that beauty doesn't always come in fancy packages. Sometimes it's right there in your kitchen, waiting to be discovered. This DIY beauty recipe are not just cost effective, but also a fun way to take control of what you put on your skin. For those who want to dive deeper and explore more sophisticated formulations, don't forget to check out stablecosmeticformulas.com. They are your gateway to mastering the art of cosmetic formulation, where you turn simple ingredients into professional grade beauty products. If you enjoyed this video and want more of such content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. We love bringing these little secrets of natural beauty to you. Thanks for watching, and remember, the most luxurious beauty product is the one made with love, care, and a touch of creativity. Keep experimenting, stay natural, and revel in the luxury that you can create with your own hand. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.